playing with high graphics settings or outdated drivers. How to fix out-of-video memory error in grounded PC. 1. Lower in-game graphics settings. Set everything to low or medium. Turn off motion blur, ray tracing if applicable, high texture quality, post-processing cap FPS to 60, disable VSync. Nashrock 2, force DirectX 11 mode. Grounded runs better on DX11 for older GPUs. Go to Steam Library, right-click Grounded, Properties, Launch Options. Paste. You can see the code in our conversation history, or for Xbox PC Game Pass version, find the shortcut or EXE, right-click Add -DX11 to the target. Hammer 3. Update graphics drivers. Use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, for clean install. 1. Download DDU, https:/wagnardsoft.com. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Boot into safe mode, run DDU, remove old drivers. 3. Install latest from NVIDIA. Please open your app to see this link. AMD, please open your app to see this link. Driver 4, disable background overlays. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, Razer Cortex, MSI Afterburner, etc. 5, increase virtual memory page file. If RAM or VRAM is low, 1. WinR sysdm.cpl. 2. Go to Advanced Performance Settings Advanced. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. 4. Uncheck Automatically Manage. 5. Set custom size, initial 4096, maximum 8192 or higher. 6. Click OK, restart. 6. Disable full screen optimizations and DPI scaling. 1. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Right-click Properties, Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, override high DPI scaling set to application. Nashar 7. TDR delay registry fix prevents the GPU from timing out. 1. Win+R, type regedit. 2. Navigate, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Right-click New, Dward 32-bit, name TDR delay, value 60. 4. Restart PC. 8. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes. Download and reinstall. DirectX end-user runtime, please open your app to see this link. Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, all, please open your app to see this link. Tab 9. Close background apps. Heavy RAM GPU users like Chrome, OBS, After Effects, antivirus use Task Manager and unnecessary tasks. Still not working? Check, are you using integrated graphics, Intel HD UHD? Game may need a dedicated GPU. Is your GPU below 2 GB VRAM? Grounded might crash on very old cards. Try playing at 720p resolution. Summary. This error is mostly GPU VRAM related. Lower graphics settings, use DX11, clean reinstall drivers, and increase virtual memory. That solves it in 95% of cases.